You want to stand or do you want to sit?
I just want to stand.
Okay. Hello friends, my name is Christopher.
And my name is Charlotte.
And today on Gardening with Children, we are going to do some spring cleaning and prepare the yard and the garden.
The garden is right down there, but not next to us.
Well, the garden is also all around us. See, we prepare the garden where we grow the vegetables, but we also prepare the garden where we grow all the flowers, right? And what are these? Do you remember what they're called? These pretty yellow flowers?
Yeah.
Daffodils.
I like daffodils.
Narcissus. Do they smell good?
Yeah.
Charlotte was incredibly helpful in this endeavor. We have a big shed that we built last year in the summertime, and we started by emptying it out. And we put out all of our garden doodads, and we trimmed some things in the actual garden, and we laid down mulch. We did all sorts of stuff, didn't we? Here we go. Go, go.
Yum.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Do you like that flower?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you sing Mr. Sun?
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me, please shine down on me.
Good job. Charlotte, why don't you show us what tools you have?
We have this.
Hold them up and show us. Uh-huh. And what do they do?
Scoop.
A scoop? Uh-huh. That's a shovel, a little trowel. Do you have a rake?
I have scooper.
Let's see the blue one.
The blue one.
Mm-hmm. That's called a rake. How does a rake work?
It works something.
Good. It moves things around so that we can get at the soil to plant. And oh, I love your bag. So handy.
Yeah. I have a watering can.
A watering can.
I don't have water in it.
Well, we'll have to get some water in there when we need to water the plants, right? And when's the best time of day to water the plants?
It's said that we do it
In the morning.
in the morning.
That's right. Charlotte May, do you want to use your shovel? All right, we're going to put these right in the middle right now. Daddy's going to get the first hole started, okay?
Can I dig there?
Can you dig here? You bet. Ready? Come on over. Go ahead. Right where this hole is. You gotta dig, dig, dig. Can you do that? Can you get in there? You're gonna help me transplant. That means we put a plant that was started somewhere into another location. Can you say transplant? Transplant. Good. All right. Here's the big trunk. Here. You're gonna put this into that hole. Go ahead. Good. Here, you can grab it down here. Good. We'll put it in. There. Ready? Let go. Into that hole. Good. It'll stick there, uh-huh. How about this? Can you put that next to it over here? Yep. Go ahead, throw it in. Drop it. Yeah. And we got a little chunk that Daddy will kind of fill in between. Okay, hey, thanks for letting me use your shovel. Good job. Okay, you can go keep raking. Sound like fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to pick up sticks. Over winter, a lot of dead sticks fall from trees, and we have to pick them up before we mow the lawn so that they don't get caught in the blades. So, you and I are going to pick up sticks, and for every stick you pick up, I'll give you a penny. How about that?
Yeah.
Or maybe I'll give you a goldfish. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. Kids will definitely do this, make it an activity. I'm bribing her with pennies and goldfish, and it's gonna do a charm. And it's just a fun thing. Pick up sticks, you know? And then we can use these to have a bonfire another night. It'll be perfect. You like the bonfire, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Might be time for lunch. Let's pick up sticks. How am I doing? Am I doing a good job? Okay. Thanks for the positive reinforcement. You didn't sleep when I was down. You were sitting in your white chair while I was picking up sticks because after a while you got tired, didn't you? Yeah. Picking up sticks was fun, but only for a limited window of time. But still, we got a lot done. Charlotte, what was your favorite part about our activity?
It was about sticks.
About sticks?
Oh, yeah, doing sticks.
Doing sticks was your favorite part, really? Okay. This is another episode of Kids Want to Help. They're curious about what you're doing, so you can get them involved on any level. She can carry some of the lighter stuff. She can pick up some of the sticks. She can use her own gardening tools, which are actual functional tools.
There's a bird, there's a bird, there's a bird.
In the garden, and you can see a bird. So much excitement. All right, Charlotte, I think it's time for us to say goodbye, right? So, thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. And until next time, bye-bye.
And now it's going to the garden.
And now let's go in the garden?
Yeah.
Okay, watch where you're stepping.